Hello, are you looking for a brand new home that's never been lived in and is ready now? A home where you don't have to worry about the developers delaying the completion date, which unfortunately is far too common. Somewhere with the added bonus of being listed at below the current builder's costs. I'm Andrew McKay of Remax by the Bay Brokerage, and this is 16 Lisa Street in Wasaga Beach. Please click on the link in the comments for full details.
Here's how you'll enjoy this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom brand new home. The Villas of Upper Wasaga community by Baycliffe Homes is located in the always desirable Wasaga Sands area. Here you are a couple of minutes drive to stores, medical facilities and restaurants, including the Superstore, Starbucks, the LCBO, Tim's and the historical Beacon. Family-friendly Beach 6 is 3 minutes drive away. The casino is 5 minutes. This west end of Wasaga Beach location allows access to Collingwood in 15 minutes and Ontario's largest ski resort at the Blue Mountain Resort in 20 minutes. Activities, events and attractions all year. The flexible floor plan of this coral model with 1,876 square feet of living space will appeal to couples, families, retirees and those looking to downsize. End unit townhouses always feel light and spacious. The open plan kitchen, dining and living area plus 9-foot ceilings enhance this. An added bonus area as you enter the house is ideal for your office or reading nook. Upgrades add that sense of style. Hardwood floors throughout the main level and stairs, granite countertops and extended cabinets in the kitchen, new appliances. This home is not builder quality. There is substance and practicality for day-to-day living as well. 3 good-sized bedrooms on the second floor, including a master suite with walk-in closet and ensuite with separate tub and shower. The second floor laundry room makes perfect sense in today's busy world. Do you need more space and want to add value? The unfinished basement layout offers many possibilities, plus a rough-in bathroom and high ceilings. Finally, for that extra peace of mind, the Tarion warranty is transferable.
Well, that's 16 Lisa Street here in Wasaga Beach. If you know anybody that may be interested in this home, please do share the video. And if you want more details or to view the house, do contact me. Cheers.